Good night. My name is Cesar Cruz. I am a student of opening the Design University in the Season Engineering program. My wife is Milena and have a son named Juan Camilo. I work in the Jambal company in the Colombia. My profession is an electrician. In the company I am sharp on electrician installation. I like to ride a bike. I like room in the weekends. Last week I went to Laguna de Tota. To Laguna is location the department of Boyacá. I am stayed there for 4 days and went with my wife and son. We ran a boat. I went sledding all afternoon. We were swimming in the lagoon. I like barbecues. I with chef. I only paid 500,000 Colombian pesos. The air condition in our room was very cool. I like it because there were many places to visit. For example, I went to Pantano de Vargas Marsh. I unlike its love. Came back there days good because and start working life. In the city where there were different types of climate. In the morning hours the water is very warm. In the afternoon the water is cloudy and like the cold breeze. The water of the morning provides a wonderful moment and entertainment for people to take a boat ride. I recommend using warm clothes, some sack and wool gloves, and not forgetting to bring an umbrella. I am some protection. The water is the city and very shakeable. Recommendation: it is recommended to travel by car. It is recommended that travel with your family. It is important that you take picture and everything. It is important that you drink a hot drink with arepa and almojábana. The people chose to go Laguna de Tota in Boyacá because it's turquoise waters and white side beach the rimming ice oceans. I plan to spend today in the surroundings of Laguna de Tota is to visit villages to preserve very traditional architecture, between peasant and colonial. This is population or Aquitania, City, Isa, Cuitiba, and Tota. It is also excellent scenario for the practice of water sports and navigation. Every year, every year there is an annual finish the water sport championship. The people's shuttling the Laguna de Tota Ames mountain of March and April because the water is very cool and the rains a lot. Thank you very much.